Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Hey, Chris here, and after making $1 million with AI, I've decided to do something a little different. See, I'm at a point now where I'm considering retiring from the launch game. My agents are making too much money, and I need to focus on those, okay? And since this might be my last ever launch, I've decided to drop the AI voiceovers and do this one myself as a live video. So let's get right into it. Now, if you've been online for more than a second, you'll know that the way to make big money is having your own product. And the best type of product to sell is a digital product like a software tool, okay? And that's true if you want to become a product-owning boss. It's true if you want to build a huge list because you can give software away as lead magnets. And it's also true if you want to become a super affiliate because you can give your software away as bonuses like I've done here. So in the age of AI, selling your own software that pays you 100% profits is still king, okay? Huge margins, huge demand, huge profits in any niche. Sounds great, but there is of course a problem, because let's be real about this. Creating software is way too hard for like 99.9% of people. People who don't have thousands of dollars to hire a developer. People who don't know how to write a technical spec that an engineer could follow. And anyway, what the heck type of software can you even create? It's all just way too hard. That is, until now, because of a cheeky little Google Sheet plus GPT-4 Omni secret that I'm about to let you in on. So let me explain. See, for over a decade now, I've been building software tools from simple Google Sheets. I just make a quick spreadsheet, then pass it to my developer to turn into a fully fledged software tool. And this not only slashes the costs, it keeps everything super duper simple. Now, these sheet software apps are actually very easy to make. They make me big money, but there are still some problems. Of course, I need to go ahead and make the spreadsheet, which can take me a few hours. And of course, I still need a developer to turn that Google Sheet into a cloud-based software app that I can make money from. But imagine if the AI could do all of this for us. Well, then the little guy could finally compete. And guess what? Today, you can. See, today all of that changes because I'm rolling out 2 game-changing software tools in one insane package. Firstly, the AI crawler, which lets you build an instant Google Sheet by crawling the internet. And this thing gives GPT-4o access to the web and teaches it how to build a database of whatever we want. And app number 2, the AI uploader, then turns the spreadsheet into an instant software tool, either a searchable table database or a beautiful graphic software like the one you see on your screen. These were created with AI in literally just a few minutes. It's absolutely nuts, okay? Now, these apps are cutting edge. They're powered by OpenAI's latest GPT-4 Omni model. They use a refined crawler preloaded with my custom prompts. They build instant sellable browser-based software tools for any niche, and they finally put the most profitable method on the planet, which is selling your own software in the hands of average people. So that's it, guys. If you scroll down, you'll see a buy button. Hit it, join, get instant access, build AI apps with free Google Sheets. Use them as affiliate bonuses, lead magnets, get traffic, make money, build a list, become an AI-powered product-owning boss. Do it today. Okay, so I'm going to get back to the agents. Enjoy, and I'll see you on the other side.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching. And don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.
Right, cheers.